How to create Gmail account. Visit the Gmail account creation page. You can go to the website by typing Gmail, come in your web browser's address bar, or by searching for Gmail in a search engine. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. Fill out the required information in the sign up form. This includes your first and last name, desired email address, which will end with Gmail, com, password, and phone number. Make sure to choose a strong password to protect your account. Provide your phone number. Google requires a valid phone number to verify your account. This is done to enhance the security of your account and to help recover it if you ever lose access. Optionally, you can provide an alternate email address for account recovery purposes. This can be useful if you forget your password or need to reset your account. Complete the verification process. Google may send a verification code to your phone number or alternate email address. Enter the code when prompted to verify your account. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Take the time to review these documents if you wish, and then check the box to indicate your agreement. Complete the setup process. Google may ask you to set up a profile picture, customize your account settings, or provide additional information. You can skip these steps for now and complete them later if you prefer. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Gmail account. You can now access your inbox and start using Gmail for sending and receiving emails. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of phishing attempts or suspicious emails.
If you want to learn more, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos.